Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. I've installed this utility sink with hot and cold water, and now I want to put a backsplash on it. I've looked at a variety of products, but this decorative wall tile peel and stick seems like a great way to go, and it's pretty cool. It's in this metal design, and I'm going to install some and see how it looks. It should be a great waterproof barrier and have a nice look behind this rugged tub sink. The first thing we need to decide is where to start it. Because I've got this hot water heater, I'm thinking about starting it like this, and then we're going to run it across. I also have a level to be sure that we have this leveled out, and there, that's level. So I'm going to peel this off, start it here, and then we're going to run a few more pieces across the lower aspect and a couple more rows. There it goes. Just like that. It has a sticky, it has a adhesive back, so this can be removed. We can get it all the way over here. Get it level and stick it into place. So there's the first piece, and then we'll take this protective film off of it. There we go. Looks great. I found the best way to start this is with a little pick to get the edge going, and then that whole backing sheet can come off. So I've chosen to alternate the patterns with the large bars going vertically, horizontally, and vertically. Then I'm going to switch it to give it more of a mosaic pattern. I think that'll look nice. Okay, I want to fill in this blank a little bit. So these are actually, all of these are individual tiles. You can actually take each individual one or segments. Or we might just take the whole piece. So to cut it was easy. I just scored the top surface, bent it, flipped it over like this, cut the edge, and I've got my piece. Be careful to line it up. Right there. Voila. Okay, you can see I've cut it to width, but I need to cut across here because I've got some full-length pieces, but I can do this on the chop saw. It has a laser that will tell you the very edge of the blade. There it is. Okay, so there it is. And again, those marks will come off because they're just on this protective coating that's on the surface. Yeah, so there they go. Nice. So that was a good way. Now we can put a full panel across here. So we've got it all laid out except for this corner, and we're going to be able to put this one here. I'm going to cut this one here and march over here, and I think we'll have just enough. Cut one there. So there's the final product. It turned out very nicely. It's going to be a nice waterproof backslash. It's metal, it's aluminum. The varying pattern, that type of parquet look, is really quite nice. I'm very pleased with it. Decorative wall tiles, Amazon, shipped to your door. I'll leave a link in the description. If this was helpful or beneficial, please click like. Consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Thank you.